Hello and welcome. Now today I'm going to show you an easy way to change the hood lift supports on your Pontiac G8 or, well, several other vehicles by yourself. Now, sometimes by yourself it can be kind of difficult, especially in the case of this where these are out and they just don't want to stay up. So, I'm just going to use a pair of vice grips to help me. Now what I'm going to do is simply just take these vice grips and clamp them right there. As you can see, it holds the hood, so I can change that one right there. And as you see, the hood did not fall. Now, with the new one on over here already, it's going to make changing this one a lot easier. Now that one will still try to fall, but I can do this with one hand because the other one is actually supporting just enough. There. Alright, so there it is. It's done. Simple, easy. Now, if you don't feel comfortable or safe or able to do it with one hand on this side when you replace the other side, you can always go ahead and put the vice grips here on the new one. Just hold it up while you change the other side with the new one as well. Now obviously with two people this would be extremely simple, but sometimes and not always do you have that luxury of having someone else to help you. Sometimes you got to do it by yourself. Do it by yourself, sometimes you have to think of a creative way to do it. Now yeah, you could use a piece of wood right here to there. It requires having a perfect cut length of wood already, or finding a piece of wood, cut it down, whatever. The vice grips, it's just simple clamp on, clamp off. Now I hope this information proved helpful. As always, thanks for watching.